So a record list allows you to create a list of links. They could be to internal pages on your community or to external websites, and you can place optionally a title with that. So let's go take a look at how you would actually create that component. I'm on the component pack homepage. I'm going to go ahead and select new. I'm going to go ahead and select my vertical list off my list here. You can see I get a preview of what that component needs. You got a title, you got your list items. I'm just going to create a configuration name. Then I could either go through each one of these steps up here, or I can just click next. So if I wanted a title on it, let's just say I'm just going to call it list. I can set fonts, where it appears, color, but I'm just going to go ahead and create my items here. So let's just say I want item 1 as my first thing. Hover text, I can say whatever you wanted to say there. Valid URL if it's inside the community. You can just go ahead and put the relative link in there. If you want an absolute link, HTTPS, always remember to use HTTPS, and you can put the full URL in there, and you can specify whether it's in a new or existing, the same window. You can also select the number, any of the icons that are available. So if you want to select an icon and set the size, you can do that. And then you can see I've got one item. So I go to preview here, yeah, and I hover over that, pick me. It's already have. I'm going to add another item on my list, and I'm just going to call this item 2. And this one, I'm just going to go to the home page. And this one, I should add an icon again. Let's go ahead and do that. And let's set the size so it's the same. So now I have a simple vertical list, and I can, again, use and reuse this. A couple other things I can do. I can click up here to go to the next section, or just back down here. I can set the indent. If I wanted no indent on that. I can set border color, background shading, margin, padding, basically format my object how I want to see it. And the last thing I need to select is my component display dates. If you do nothing and you just hit save, it's available as soon as you save the component, place it on your community, publish your page. It'll be available immediately to your users. If you wanted to display the page in the future, like you want this to show up a week from today, and then optionally, you can even say when it ends. So you could say 2 weeks after that, I'd like it to turn off. So you can basically set up the display to turn on and off if you have that type of component. And this is the vertical list component.